everybody, today on Henry's Tattoos, I'm going to show you how to make lemon chicken kebabs. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 4 chicken breast fillets. So the first thing we're going to do is give these a good clean, get rid of any burn. You can leave any fat on if you like that. Okay, so they're looking good. So what we're going to do is dice these into small pieces, just like so. So you want to try and get cubes that are all about the same size. This will ensure even cooking. And we'll just place our chicken into a bowl. Alright, so to our chicken I'm going to add the juice of 2 lemons, 1 tablespoon of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, about 3 crushed garlic cloves, and finally about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. So we're just going to give this a good mix and get it all well combined and well coated. And that's already smelling very fragrant. So I've just covered this with some cling wrap. We're going to place this into the fridge. Preferably leave this overnight for best results. If not, you can leave it for about 4 hours. So just into a container here I've got 8 wooden bamboo skewers. We're just going to top this up with some water and let those soak. Now alternatively you can put these on metal skewers, that's up to you. Alright guys, so we'll do our tzatziki next. So I've just got 1 cucumber here. We'll just cut the ends off. Now as you can see I've got a strainer here and a bowl under it. And a grater that's going to go here. So we're going to grate this into the strainer because we want to get some of that juice out. So just on the coarse side. Okay, so what we're going to do now is push on our cucumbers to get that excess juice out. And as you can see it's starting to come out. So just push it all out. Okay, so that's looking good. Doesn't have to be 100%. So that's how much liquid has come out. So guys, don't go wasting this. Drink it, it's very good for you. Alternatively, add this to a glass of water or a big bottle of water. The cucumber juice will keep you more hydrated, believe it or not. So I always do that in summer. Okay, so we'll add our cucumber back into our bowl. And we're going to add in about a cup of Greek style yogurt. So don't use sweetened yogurt. And we'll add in about 1 crushed garlic clove, about half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried mint, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and about a tablespoon of olive oil. So let's give this a quick mix and get it well combined. Now once again that's smelling very fragrant. So we'll cover this. This will go into the fridge too. So guys, if this stays in the fridge the flavour is going to develop and get better. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and skewer these. So we'll take our soaked bamboo skewers and we want to thread our chicken onto them. Just like that. Alright guys, so there we go. So let's move on to our stove. Alright guys, so just into a pan on a medium to high heat, we'll add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once your oil's nice and hot, we'll slowly add in our skewers. So we just want to cook it for about 3 minutes and then turn it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and turn our skewers. And we'll cook for another 3 minutes now. Now make sure you're maintaining your temperature. Don't go low because it's going to dry it out. Don't go too high because it will burn. Keep it at a nice medium to high. Okay, let's go ahead and turn them again. And we want this nice beautiful brown colour. So the total cooking time should only take about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, so we're just at the 8-minute mark now. And as you can see our chicken has a nice firm feel to it. So always check by looking at the biggest piece, which would be this one here and this one here, or probably this one here too. And you can see they're nice and firm. So we'll go ahead and turn the heat off. So guys, in my case I'm going to serve this up as an appetizer. But if you like, obviously put some salad next to it, put some chips next to it, put some rice next to it. Got some endless possibilities there. And let's finish it off with our tzatziki. And I've just added some deep fried bread onto that. And there we go. Perfect appetizer. I hope you like that, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.